Good morning. I'm so sleepy. Gotta get up, but I'm so sleepy. Let's just get my morning face mask on. Let's get it on. How to remove it? Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Okay. Time to eat some breakfast. I feel so tired. Huh? Wait. Where's Nugget then? So all of a sudden, I'm trying to make her feel like where's Nugget? Nugget! Girl! Silly Nuggets. Let's go eat some food? What? Oh, I had to buy it, but I don't. I'm too lazy. Why? Now I even have to figure out. Guys, I have to go to the makeup shop to get that makeup remover, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done making my hair. Ooh, I look pretty. And I took my face mask off too. I'm going to get dressed. I feel like this looks nice. We're gonna put this in my hanger. I think some pants would look nice for today. Let's put my skirt there. And I'm going to just drink from my bottle. Time to get in the car. Goes outside. Why did I go out without my umbrella? Anyway, let's get my car out. There's my car. I'm gonna put my bottle on this seat and drive. Just gonna lock the doors and go to on driving mode. Okay, let's go. Finally here. I'm gonna get my trolley, put my credit card in. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Please have a wonderful time. You too. I need some oil. We're gonna get 2 cans, and we just want some flour. We're gonna get this. Pasta. We're just gonna get 2 fruit and veggies. Very healthy. I guess I'm going to get these. Okay, wait, I'm gonna do something. Put the strawberry. Let's see what happens. Make strawberry seeds. Okay, let's use this. It makes this seed. Let's see what it makes up. Oh, okay, we're not gonna focus on that. We need some bread. I'll take these. Not that. No, I didn't mean to take that. I meant to take this bread. Ooh, and a shortcake. Here you go, dearie. Thanks, ma'am. I'm not gonna get any. Ooh, cookies. I'm definitely gonna get that. I guess I'm gonna get this too. Let's see. Oh, milk. Yeah, milk is important. 2 cups. Cheese. Let's see what happens if I do these secrets. Fruit fish. I did the secret, so I got the coins already. Okay, I got it. Let us now go. Sir, here's everything. Ma'am, aren't you getting a lot? Yeah, I've been grocery shopping. That's okay. Grocery shopping needs a lot of things. You're so kind, sir. Thank you, dear. I'm gonna give my credit card out. Man, you got a lot. 36 you need to pay 36. Okay. I'm gonna get everything in the bag. This is gonna take a while. No, I don't want to scan. Sir, are the umbrellas free? Yes, ma'am, the umbrellas are free. Thanks goodness. Credit card in there. Let's get this umbrella. We're gonna open this. Okay, let's go. Finally, I'm back home. Close the umbrella. Bro, I feel so tired. But I also need to stock things. Leave my umbrella here. Now we're gonna go. Let's stack my fridge up. Oil, you go down. Another oil, also down. Some apple chips. The milks go up here. Guys, I'm not organized anything where they're supposed to be. Okay, this is gonna go here. This actually goes here. These go here. This goes there. I'm so lazy. No, not my credit card. This goes here. That goes there. This goes here. Cheese go here. Spaghetti goes. Pasta goes here. Another pasta goes here. Whatever this is goes here. Whatever this is goes here. Ignore this. Okay, finally done. I'm going to have some cookies and this for my food for today. Putting this back in the fridge. Okay, put my credit card over there. Time to eat. Yum, yum, yum. That's delicious and smells so fresh. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, time for the cookie. Yum. Yum. And then cheese. That was good. Time to get Lulu down from there. Look, even Lulu wants to come down. Meow, meow, meow. Here, Lulu, some food. Brr, brr. And now Lulu wants to sleep. Oh, Lulu looks so cute when she sleeps. I love Lulu so much. I think it's time to put my face mask back on. Okay. Let's put this back. I'm going to wear my normal suit. Take my shoes off. Going to hug my teddy. I'm gonna on the lamp. Today's been a long day. I really need a nap. Sweet dreams, me. I love my world. I'm so thankful. So guys, that's all the time we have for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, consider giving us like and subscribe. Bye. I love you all.